Hello world, ever wonder what it takes to change this into this? So our backyard has this weird steps or wall that is really ugly, and after we build the extension we want to get a good use of the steps, so we decide to do something about it. So what we did, we broke the wall. All the bricks were taken down, as you can see, and all the extra bricks are laid on the side, so we want to be able to use it later. For me, I think the most difficult part of the process is covering the hole with cement. As you can see, this is quite a back-breaking work, and it's not the easiest because I don't have a machine. So I have to do it one at a time, and I have to mix the cement wall and then pour everything into the hole. And all in all, it took about 30 something bags of cement with about 60 pounds each. And at the end result, as you can see here, is really not the best looking. I'm not a masonry, but I was able to level it down quite a bit. And on the side, it's ugly, but it's fine. Next, I have to mark the borderline where I want to lay the deck, and then I have to mark the holes where I want to dig and put cement into it so I can lay the posts. Once the holes are dug, I put in a cardboard roll, and so I can put the cement in. And once I pour in the cement, I put in an anchor bolt. As you can see here, it's quite tight, and I did it for all of the three holes, as you can see here. And to do it correctly, you need to use a certain cement, and the cement that I'm using is called the fast setting cement, and it does set really quickly. One of the mistake that I did was I did not remove the steps here. As you can see, kind of protrudes out and is messing up the how it's being leveled. So I need to be able to trim the wood, which I plan to do, and this is what I did. I measured wrong at the beginning because I measured it too far down. And in the middle, I measured correctly, so it's kind of like a notch here, which is really not a big deal. Next, I need to drill holes so I can put in the anchor on the cement. So the first one I put it in, and it was a mistake because the drill bit actually broke inside here and I can't use it anymore. So I need to drill another hole right here, and I have to make sure the anchor bolt is the correct size, and this is the one. And I will have to do the same with on the cement. I need to drill the hole big enough so I can anchor it. So this part of the process takes a while because I cannot do it quick. Basically, I need to make sure it's level, and I have to make sure that it's even all across the three beams that I'm putting in. And once I have that, I measured how long the post is going to be to make sure it's correct, and just basically cut it down as such. Once I have the measurement, it's just a matter of level it again, make sure it's plumb, and then just nail it down like so. And I have to do it all around the post so it doesn't move any longer. So next part of the process is basically nail all the beams down, make sure it's even level. I nail it using deck nails and also use screws to tighten everything together. And I have to nail everything on the side and also on the post itself, so make sure they don't move. I temporarily set the deck together so I can measure how much I need to trim on the side. To put the side beam, I need to drill a hole and temporarily secure it with a piece of wood. Because I need to be able to do this myself and make sure everything is even. Basically, like I said, temporarily screw everything in together so I can place the heavy beam across like so, so I can continue to screw everything together. And this is secured using deck screws, and these are very strong, and they are about, I think, 3 inches, so they are pretty good in holding everything together. Once that's done, it's just a matter of putting the rest of the frame together so it doesn't flex in the middle. With the help of my wife, we cut every deck plank correctly, and this is done one at a time and place everything together, make sure everything fits well. And this process itself cannot be stressed how important it is, because when this is put together, you can't actually remove all the deck planks at all. So make sure you do this correctly. This is the easiest part of the project, but first I put a masking tape to know where I need to nail all the deck down. And like I said, this is the easiest part. It's just a matter of nailing everything in, and then we're done. So it's just a lot of nails for each plank, and it's just a slow process because we need to make sure that all the nails driven in straight and correctly. So there you have it. The deck is done. It's not a big deck. We plan to build something on the top, maybe a greenhouse or a sunroom, which is big enough for our family. And hopefully you find this project helpful. And if you believe so, please click on the like and to subscribe to my channel as I post more videos on what we do on our life and make our life easy. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.